In 2005, operators at the Infrabel signal box in Bruges, Belgium, moved to their new control center. They swapped their trusted room with relay-based signaling systems for an ergonomic control room, equipped with a computerized Siemens system to support them in managing rail traffic. In 2008, their comfort levels were raised further when a large-sized Barco video wall was installed to provide a live overview of their region's rail traffic situation. The Bruges Control Center is just the beginning of an ambitious signal box concentration program set up by Infrabel, the manager of the Belgian rail infrastructure. The visualization of the rail network using a large Barco video wall helps to raise safety standards across the Belgian railway infrastructure, as it enables collaborative decision-making based on a single overview of the network status at any one time.